So let's start our plus sign. Little bit rough idea. From the top I'm going to do a little bit rough, like this one line, and the same thing I'm going to do this side, but this side I can make it little bit wider. Now from here I will pull this one up little bit. I will curve over here and I can go here. Now I'm going to take only one single line. So you have to draw a light. And inside I'm going to do one more line here. And this will go all the way here. This will go also up little bit here. From here we have this line. From here again I'm going to create another line. From here a little bit down. So this one is tilting, same style I will tilt this one. Over here we can do few lines. From here I will pull one, not from this corner, little bit here. And over here, this line I will erase little bit. And from here inside, and I will curve this one here. So this one is little bit rectangle shape over here, and going up slightly and making this kind of like a box style. We can curve this one, we can curve a little bit over here too. And I will start from here, and between these two I will go and connect this one, kind of like alphabet U upside down. From here I will start and I will go inside here. And this one will be thickness over here. So a little bit confusing over here, so let's do again this one and this side. This is the thickness and this is the inside one, so this will be shaded. Now here we can do plus sign, and this one I will do double first, and this side is going to be the thickness one. So this one is double, and here I'm leaving the gap little bit because these lines will start from inside of that tiny bit, and the thickness for this one. So let me color it black little bit so it will be easy to understand. Same line this side, and this is the thickness one. We can leave little bit gap, and from here to here we can draw alphabet U, Let me make this one a little bit longer. From here I'm going to do second line. Over here we can do tilted line. Do the same style over here. Was first box style, and on the top we can do alphabet U, thickness part, plus sign, double, coming from inside, dark lines, shadow ones, and a little bit thickness over here. This side we can do planter or same style. And from here I will pull this one, I will pull this one, and this one. This is my dog who's sleeping and making noise. And then we can do some leaves, flower, whatever you like, you can add over here. Now over here you can draw two of them or one. I'm going to draw one, but totally up to you. Same thing like we did over here. So this is alphabet U, and this is going to be the thickness, the dark area, and then plus sign. So let's do this plus sign like this. This is getting a little bit bigger, so I want a little bit smaller or this size. And over here I want lots of flower and bushes, so I will just go with that. Now over here we can do next to that some bushes. Next over here we can erase a little bit. And over here if you want tree, we can draw a tree. And then we can do double lines. This whole thing is tree over here. If you want to do some rocks over here and there. These things you can shade with the pencil.